today's business world, effective communication is vital and telephone contact remains key. But how we make calls is changing dramatically. 3CX is a leader in this revolution as a developer of its own software-based IP PBX 3CX phone system. An IP PBX, or Internet Protocol Private Branch Exchange, provides low-cost audio, video and instant messaging communication for a company's internal phone network, while interconnecting with a public network domestically and internationally. 3CX phone system offers desktop call control and extension management without the need for separate phone wiring because it uses a computer network. It's designed to easily connect staff globally, improve usability, increase office mobility and hot desking, while boosting customer service too. Crucially, in the current economy, it can reduce costs.
3CX is software-based. Yeah, it's a standard Windows Server software. That means that you can run it on your existing servers, your existing IT team can manage it, you can even virtualize it if that's the environment you have. So that's a big thing. You don't need to get outside telecom consultants. 3CX is also much less expensive to buy and manage, so there are big cost savings there just from the acquisition of the PBX. Anybody within the company can use their Android phone, their iPhone, their Mac laptop or Windows laptop and work from home and use the Office extension as if he's in the office. And the advantages are that he'll be integrated seamlessly, that all the calls are free of charge, and of course for a business it means that the employee can be more productive. 3CX has all the unified communications features such as presence, so I can see whether my colleagues are busy on the phone or not. I can easily make conference calls, I can have my fax and voicemail delivered by email. So this is all standard in 3CX phone system. It's open standards based, so the company doesn't get tied into particular vendors, but they can choose popular IP phones, gateways, SIP trunks. In the end, it's a much more manageable system with more features and slashes their telecoms costs.
Software developer Nick Galea's drive to create 3CX phone system came from his own frustration at the limitations of the phone systems already on the market.
All hardware-based proprietary PBX is extremely expensive. None of the features that I really wanted, like for example the ability to connect remote offices, and they couldn't be managed by our own IT team. So I set out to look for something, a software-based system that could run on our own server equipment, and none of them even came close to delivering what I wanted. It really was a driver to say, okay, we can do this and we can do it much better.
Launched in 2006, 3CX's award-winning business has a global presence with offices in the UK, across Europe, and as far afield as Australia, South Africa, and the USA. It's completed tens of thousands of installations worldwide for clients such as Wiltshire College, which has the challenge of handling 15,000 telephone calls a week across 9 campuses.
What we needed to do is put one system in that united all the campuses and gave us a coherent approach to telephone systems across the college. I think the criteria for me, particularly as Director of Customer Services, was around its reliability, of course its value for money, and whether it would enhance our business model, and we've certainly seen all those 3 benefits come through clearly. It's Windows based, so our staff found that easy to use from the outset, and it enables us to modify it as the college changes. We've seen huge benefits cost-wise in terms of we can maintain the system in-house up to about £70,000 at the moment for the new system.
We've got more than 30,000 customers today. We have a global network of partners that sell 3CX, more than 10,000 worldwide. We're able to innovate that much faster than our competition. And the reason for that is that we've chosen this software-based strategy.
3CX's commitment to innovation and the release of new versions of 3CX phone system annually has impressed Drayton Manor Theme Park in Staffordshire. Set in 60 acres with over 100 rides and attractions, including a zoo and a hotel and up to 700 staff on site, it has complex communication needs.
We needed to provide telephones to a large site, but at a reasonable cost. And we found that the 3CX solution, being able to use our already current in place computer network, allowed us to install that at a better cost than a traditional PBX solution. We installed in one evening out of business hours, and by the morning we were completely installed on the new phone system, and the users went to their desk straight away using the new telephone system with no major issues whatsoever. To help the productivity of our employees by integrating the phone system with their computer system. That's where we bring new locations onto site, new rides, new catering outlets. We'll no longer have a cost per extension for that installation, therefore we can significantly save our costs ongoing. It's reduced our maintenance costs by about 65%.
3CX says it's committed to listening to customer feedback as it evolves and adds extra value to its service. Believing that web conferences will play a major role in businesses going forward, it's developing a new web RTC-based web conferencing solution as it strives to stay at the cutting edge of the communications revolution.
What keeps me really motivated is the excitement of success. Whenever there's a new milestone that we reach, or sometimes something as simple as an email from a company that says, this is such great stuff, you really revolutionize the way I do business.